this is what I'm seeing. $14, and they are these metal garden tubs. They look pretty sturdy. They look like they got a drainage hole down here, but you're gonna have to put some holes in it. And they have a whole rack of them for $14. Then they have these pots right here, and they are $9.97. These are nice planters, and they are for $11, and they're by Better Homes. And let's see what else they got over here. And I'm looking, let's swing over this way. And they just have their dirt for $3.97. It's the Better Homes Organic. And then they have the Expert Potty Mix right here. And it helps grow bigger plants with more blooms. Money back guarantee. Never seen that before. So Walmart is trying to get into the spring fever here. Grape hyacinths that are $1.37, and they are beautiful. They have all kinds of colors, and they have crocuses down here, which is $1.37. More down here, and then they have some daffodils right here, and these are $1.37 as well. Small baby daffodils. Let's walk over here and see what we can see. And these are more daffodils, but these are the bigger ones, and the blooms are starting to come out. And these are $5.88. And then they have their tulips. No, these are hyacinths, the big thicker ones, and these are $1.37. They got their tulips down here, which are $1.37, and these are all their tulips. So Walmart trying to do what they do. And then let's swing over this way. And then they have pollinator garden, which is for $10.97. But this is all that I'm doing. I'm just walking around Walmart, seeing what they have. Oh, and I picked up some more of this tool for my garden. And this is, I couldn't find the tan, but I got the white. And these were 97 cents a yard. So this is how much I'm going to be paying for it. Alright guys, hope you're having a wonderful day. And Miss Renee will get back with you if I see anything else that's good.